Hi guys, welcome to a new portfolio update episode. Today we're gonna take a look at what happened last week, what I did about it, and what I think comes next. So let's get straight to the point. Over the last week, our portfolio is down 5.6%, while the S&P is down 2.6%. Actually, I think Nasdaq is down about almost 5%. So I think Nasdaq is a little bit better benchmark for my portfolio, but overall, am I surprised by this move? Not at all. I was talking for some time that market got a little bit too hot, so uh, the correction was pretty much anticipated by me. And I think I just didn't know if it would happen this week or next week or a week from that, right? So finally, some corrections, some sobering up of the market. And yeah, Friday was actually genuinely, it was some kind of bloodbath, you could even say. I mean, it's the worst day since October 25. Yep. Okay, let me show this type of chart. It's the worst day since October 25. I think it's also for Nasdaq, it's the worst day since April 25, or actually March 25. No, April. Sorry, the big drop was in April. So it might be a little bit scary, but honestly, the fundamentals didn't change at all, and not even the fundamentals, even the market stuff didn't change at all. We just got a little bit better than expected job report, and even then, this job report was actually before this drop, so it's only some sobering up of the markets. So. Again, am I scared? Do I think it's a start of a crash or some kind of the correction? I don't think so. I think that it's only a pullback. There's just no catalyst for bigger correction. Uh, Worst case, or actually, I mean, not the worst case scenario. Of course, it's not a financial advice, but a little bit worst thing that might happen is that we might go a little bit sideways for some time. So, what I did this week. What I did this week. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I further took some profits on Google. It was even before their equity raise, so it's not that I sold Google because I'm scared of equity raise. I don't think it's bearish for Google. I think it's actually a little bit bullish, but okay. I bought some SoFi. I thought there might be a little bit of breakout right here, but unfortunately there wasn't. I've deposited a little bit of cash. I bought some Nvidia after the annunciation of this equity raise by Google. Uh, so yeah, I just think that right now Google opened up gates for other hyperscalers to also raise some equity. And Nvidia would be the main beneficiary, and the valuation is honestly good for Nvidia. I bought some new because it's at pretty great support right now at 12 bucks, and I think it's pretty cheap relative to the market. I was telling you guys that I'm gonna buy some Uber, and I bought some Uber. I think that yeah, it's cheap. It's consolidated a little bit, so we might see some move up uh, in some time. I don't know just when, but I think that it's a good price for Uber. I bought some two Rubrik shares after their great earnings. I actually broke down their earnings in my last video, so I really recommend you guys. I think it's a pretty good video. uh, I sold one share of Netflix to buy one share of CoreWeave. Nothing really. It's not that I'm bearish on Netflix and all. It's just I want to buy some CoreWeave shares at 100. I think it's a good price for CoreWeave. And honestly, Netflix is such a small position for me that uh, I actually might close it entirely. So yeah, let's see what happened this week. Let me just filter it down a little bit, but only have bullish or bearish news. All right. So I was talking to you guys about NeoCloud situations that we had some good executions by NeoClouds, by IREN. IREN closed some investment financing. It also there were also some news about the Australia campus. I think, CoreWeave becomes first cloud provider to validate Nvidia Vera Rubin, which is great. Nebius to invest around 8 billion euros in French AI compute cloud capacity. So yeah, great news for hypers, for neoclouds. Yet they're down a little bit, but of course they had amazing run before that. So as I'm telling you guys, no surprises there. Everything is fine. Don't panic. Okay, anything else interesting? Oh, Meta launches business agents. So I think it's great. Finally, some B2B stuff from Meta. And I mean, they're finding ways to actually monetize all that AI spend. So I think, I think it's bullish for Meta, and market also thinks that. I think Meta moved 4% on that day, which is great. Uh, Anything else interesting? Huge price upgrade for Oscar Health, but I mean, it's just analysts following the price action, right? Oh, New Holdings approved 1 billion share buyback. Nice. And yeah, Affirm got some funding, but if you follow Affirm, it didn't really have any troubles with funding, so this is great. Yeah, I think this liability stuff is not interesting. Yeah, I think that's all when it comes to news. So one news I didn't cover right now is this Google equity raise, but I covered it in separate video. Uh, Overall, I think that the AI story continues, that we only have a little bit pullback right here, and it's not the beginning of a correction. But of course, we'll have to see. Uh, in next week, I don't think that I'll do anything, honestly. I don't have unlimited cash. Maybe I'll try to close these smaller positions and move this to some other positions. That would be great. What? One more thing. Oil price is at 90, which is not bad actually. When it comes to rates, it's pretty bad. I think that right now market anticipates only 20% chance that there would not be any rate hikes until this year. Yeah, week ago there was 55% chance. So right now market is certain that there will be rate hikes. So yeah, we'll have to see. I don't think it's. I think there might be rate hikes, but I don't think it's a given like market says. Uh, so overall, guys, I think that's it. I won't make it long. I think that this week was, I mean, a little bit bad, but we expected that, right? It's only sobering up of the market, so no panic right here. Uh, Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all had a great week, and I hope you all will have a great week because our stocks will go up. Thank you. Bye.